back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be on the phone customer service. It's going to be all for all of you animal lovers out there. Lap of Love Veterinary Hospital is hiring a call center representative. This is remote for the United States. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Lap of Love is looking for a call center representative to work their evening schedule. So it is a basic customer service position for a vet type clinic. You'll provide customer service by engaging in positive interactions with pet families. You'll answer a high volume of customer service calls in your work from home environment. You'll demonstrate dependability, flexibility, ownership, and sound judgment, and make sure you are adhering to your schedules. You'll gather and accurately document the pet's medical information and schedule the pet's appointments in an effective manner. You'll guide emotional conversations in a calm and peaceful manner. Some people may be calling in with pet emergencies. It may not all be just routine checkup appointments they are scheduling. If this sounds like something you are interested in, they're looking for somebody who has experience working in a call center customer service type environment, someone who can quickly learn custom software programs, and then other software programs such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Maps, all of those types of things. They want somebody who has great attention to detail and someone who can attend the mandatory 4-week training program. So they are going to completely train you. Now, their call center is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So they are looking for someone to specifically work the evening afternoon shift from either 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. You will have to work nights, weekends, and holidays. Now, they are paying $15 an hour to start for this position. If you have previous call center experience and a bilingual background, you could get increased to $2 an hour more, making it $17 an hour, but they're going to pay 100% of your health insurance premiums and all of that. You get dental, vision, life insurance, pay time off, and 401k. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.